Welcome to the class of additional mathematics. I'm your teacher, and honest, with a question which you are seeing on the chalkboard, and this question is actually driven from binomial expansion. Remember, I told you to say before you start attempting a question, first of all, you need to understand the topic from which the particular question is coming from. Very, very important. Okay, so this is binomial expansion. Let us go through the question and see how we are going to answer it. Find the middle term in the expansion of open bracket x squared plus 2 over x power 8, 4 marks. Okay, so now how are we going to find the middle term of this expression that we have? So first of all, since the power is 8, so the middle, we are going to subtract 8, okay, minus 4. Okay, that is the half. Or we just say 8 times 1 over 2. And the answer that you are going to have is 4. Okay, that will be our what? Middle term. So now, since this is binomial, okay, and we have got two different methods that you can use to work out this problem. The first one is by using the Pascal triangles, and the other one is using the binomial theorem. Okay, so now the binomial theorem one is actually the simplest and accurate one. So it's the one that I'm going to show you. Okay, so that in case you are going to come across this type of question, you'll be able to do what? To answer it using binomial theorem method. Okay, so how do we do it? Since we are saying that the middle term is x squared power 4, then 2 over x power 4. That is the middle term. Okay, because remember, this power is actually applying to both of terms that we have inside the bracket. Okay, so now when we say the middle term is negative, is power 4, I mean we find the middle point of this, the middle number of the power, which is 8, and the middle number in this case is 4. So no wonder why you are seeing this 4 that we have. Okay, so now the middle term again, when it comes to the combination, the method of binomial theorem, where you are going to use the combination for you to find the coefficient of the middle term. So now that you have written this, so what has remained is to find the coefficient of the middle term. How are we going to find the coefficient? We are going to use the combination as I said earlier on. Okay, since we have the power is 4, okay, which is representing n, and we have 4 again as the power increases, because we always start from 0. Okay, now since this is a middle term, it is also what? 4. So now we are going to say 8. We want to first find the what? The coefficient of the middle term. Then that's when we are going to proceed. So 4 combination combined, 8 combined 4. So this C is standing in for combination is equals to. So you can only find the answer of this expression if you have a calculator. Okay, so you are going to say, you write 8, then shift the calculator, then write where there is down there. Okay, depending on the calculator that you use. The one that I'm using, I have to place on the division sign. Okay, that is where the combination is. So once the C is written there, now from there, I'm going to write 4. Okay, what is the answer? The answer is 70. So now, this is telling us that the coefficient of the middle term is 70. Now from there, we can proceed. Okay, so now we are going to say 70, okay, open, x squared, close, then we have 4 there, okay, open, 2 over x, up, close, then 4, okay. So now from there, we are going to simplify this, okay. How? We are going to say 70. The way we simplify the powers, we just multiply them, because this is the x raised to power 2 raised to power 4. So 2 times 4, the answer is 8. X power 8. Okay? Then here we have this 4 again, cutters all these numbers that we have inside, the numerator and the denominator. Okay? So we are going to say 4 times, or 2 times 2 times 2, or 2 power 4, the answer is what? The answer is 16 over, then down there we are going to say x over 4. Okay. Then from there, we are saying power 8. Then from there we can multiply now. First, even before doing this, let me multiply direct. Remember, between here we have a multiplication sign, so we are going to multiply. Here we can say over 1. Then we say 70 x power 8 times 16. What is the answer? 70 times 16. The answer is 1120. Remember, we have x power 8 over, then 1 times x power 4. The answer is x. The answer is x power 4. Okay. Then from there, we can get rid of this x power 4, because on top there we have x also. So we can do like this, 1120. Then we have times x times x times x times x. How many x are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times x times x times x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times x. I'm trying to expand this. Then down we have 4x. X times x times x times x. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are going to cancel. This x will go with this one will go with this one, and this one will go with this one will go with this one. So how many x's are we remaining with? We are going to remain with 1, 2, 3, 4. So the final answer is going to be 1120 x power 4. Okay? That is the middle term of this expression. Once you do this, it means this 4 marks is yours. Thank you so very much for paying a particular attention. I am going to bring another question as an exercise, which you are going to attempt as an individual. Then I'll come in and answer and mark that particular question, and later on we are going to discuss, all of us. Thank you so very much.